Hello guys, Merry Christmas and welcome back to another video. And we have a match tag team because it's Christmas. So, yeah, I hope you got some good presents. Please. See, I got this in my stocking. It's strange. I'm sorry that didn't focus. Yeah, because it's just really annoying. It doesn't focus. Like, you've got to open it from this way because that's how the boys do it, isn't it? So, yeah, something like that. I don't know what it is. Right. So, put the Drew there. I think we should just start off from here. That's the code. You can have that, guys. Will it not focus? No, it's Q, lowercase Q, no, wait, I don't know. I do not know. Don't follow advice with me. I am. Wait. Norwich duo and man of match Perez. Star player Kabay. Crystal Palace Hazard, star player, Crystal Palace badge, and the Chelsea badge. Giroud normal there, and super striker. Lambert, Pantilimon, Tabunu, oh no, Kozak, Kabul, Lescott, Taylor, Soz, Dini, Tiote, Target, Forven, Klein. What? 2 Kleins? Sick. 2 or Klein away kit and Klein normal. Fletcher, Mahrez, Skirtle, Lamella, Morrison away kit, Dembele, Fletcher, Redmond, Shaw, Murray, Oxford, Rooney, Tompkins, Pro. Can you even see these? No, I might go a bit slower. Besic, Mersacker, Morales, Ozil, Silva, Bamford, Yaya Toure, Kelly, Delph, Cahill, Crouch, Fabregas, Cameron, and Forge. I'm sorry you couldn't see much then. I was a bit idiot then. And the big reveal is okay, well, it has to be a bronze, doesn't it? So I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy this video. Leave a like if you had a good Christmas, and subscribe too if you had a good Christmas. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.